Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming network access and that your Google account is signed into the TV, because Play services require connectivity and account linkage. Next, check Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Google Play services and note the installed version so you can confirm an update. Once done, enable developer options and allow installs from your chosen file manager only if you will sideload an APK. This prevents permission blockers later and prepares the device for the update process. You should try the Play Store update first. Go to the Play Store app page for Google Play services and tap Update. This is safest and preserves signatures. If the store shows no update, choose a compatible Android TV APK that matches your TV's ABI and Android version, because the wrong build will fail. Next, enable ADB debugging or copy the APK to a USB drive, open a TV file manager, and start the sideload install, prompt to replace or update the package. Once the installer finishes, verify the new version under Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Google Play services, and confirm it has the necessary permissions so dependent apps work properly. Then clear cache and data for both Play services and the Play Store, and reboot the TV to let processes restart cleanly. This prevents weird crashes. If apps still fail, uninstall Play services updates or reinstall the matched APK. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but try restoring the correct APK.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.